Like we said in our previous lesson, keeping you and your workers safe on the job site is the most important part about your construction business. The only thing that almost matters more is money, or more importantly, how you manage money. Banking. This might sound obvious, but it's crucial that you keep your business banking separate from your personal banking for both accounting and tax purposes. Don't have a business checking account yet? While shopping for a new bank, you might want to keep an eye out for low requirements for no-fee checking. Online banking with a mobile app. You want to be able to transfer money, deposit checks, and make payments wherever you are. Higher monthly check deposit and transfer limits. Checking or savings accounts that earn interest. Even 0.01% interest is better than nothing. Zelle transfers. Zelle is a no-cost, convenient way to send and receive payments. Credit and financing. In a different lesson, we elaborate much more on credit and financing options for your construction business, but we can't discuss money management without mentioning business credit cards and business loans. Business credit card. One of the first steps to building your business credit is to get a business credit card. Even if you don't actually need the credit, use it regularly and pay off every month in full. This credit history will be beneficial further down the road when you do need that credit. Look for a card that has a low or no annual fee. One that offers cash back on purchases is a big plus. Even at 1% cash back, you'll start seeing some decent money over time. Business loan. Like the business credit card, even if you don't need a loan, consider getting a small business loan to build credit history. As your construction company grows, you need to be in a position to get a loan at the best possible rate, and credit history will help with that. When it comes to business loans, here's some tips to ensure you get approved. Maintain a healthy credit score. Demonstrate adequate cash flow in your business. Have insurance for your business. Ensure that you have all the necessary documents ready. Budgeting. When it comes to budgeting, it's important that you're realistic. Why? Because you are going to really want to stick with this thing and commit to healthy spending. It's like a diet. It's so easy to create a budget and then forget it the next day. When it comes to creating a $1 million construction business, this won't fly, we can assure you. For that reason, avoid using numbers that are far too big or far too small. And don't forget to include some categories in order to be as specific as possible. Budgeting is a push and pull between estimation and real numbers. The only way your budget estimates will become more accurate is by reconciling your budget against actual cost. You must be accountable. Categorize expenses. Each month, you or your bookkeeper should readjust your budget based on receipts. To maintain organization and accuracy, you may need to add or change expense categories. There's some great apps out there like Mint that will help you quickly categorize your expenses before you forget what they were for. With these apps, you simply link your credit cards, loans, and bank accounts. Each week, you should categorize each expense and use that information to reconcile estimates to the actuals for the month. Want to view the entire lesson as well as all of the other lessons included in this course? Visit heavyape.com and use the coupon code E&C to get 25% off.